How frequently should you send out email marketing? The frequency at which you should send out email marketing emails based on several factors, including your audience, the nature of your business, and the content you have to share. There is not a one-size-fits-all answer, but here are some guidelines to consider. Audience expectations. Your audience's expectations and preferences should be a primary consideration. Survey or analyze your subscribers to determine how often they want to hear from you. Content relevance. The frequency of your emails should align with the volume and value of the relevant content you can produce. Now, sending too many emails or with thin, repetitive content can lead to subscriber fatigue. Type of business. Different businesses have different optimal email frequencies. For example, Daily Deal site might send a daily deal email, while a monthly newsletter for a non-profit may be sufficient. Test and analyze. Regularly test different frequencies to see how your audience responds. Analyze the key metrics like open rates, click-through rates, and unsubscribe rates to determine which works best for you. Consistency. Maintaining a consistent sending schedule so subscribers know when to expect your emails. Now, this helps build anticipation and trust. Segmentation. Consider segmenting your list based on engagement or preferences. Subscribers who want to hear from you more often can receive more frequent emails, while others can get less frequent communications. Automated campaigns. Implement automated email campaigns triggered by user actions, such as welcoming new subscribers or re-engaging inactive ones. These emails may have different sending frequencies. Event-based emails. Now, sending emails when a relevant event occurs, such as a product launch, a promotion, or holidays, is a great tip. These emails might increase your sending frequency temporarily. Opt-out preferences. Allow subscribers to choose their email frequency, which can reduce unsubscribes and improve overall engagement. Monitor your feedback. Pay attention to feedback such as unsubscribe requests and to email complaints to gauge whether your email frequency is appropriate. In general, here are some broad recommendations based on the type of email marketing. Newsletters. Typically, once a week or once a month is common frequency for an email newsletter. The choice depends on the volume and quality of content that you generate. E-commerce and retail. Frequency can vary widely from daily deal emails to less frequent promotional emails. Segmenting your audience is critical to avoid overwhelming your subscriber list. B2B and professional services. B2B emails might be less frequent, such as once a month or even quarterly. Focus on providing valuable and informative content. Event notifications. The frequency of event-based notification emails depends on the number of events that you're promoting. Ensure that you don't inundate your subscribers with excessive content. Remember that email frequency is not set in stone, and it should evolve as your audience and business needs change. You should always regularly assess the impact of your email marketing on engagement, conversions, and adjust your strategy accordingly. Now, ultimately, finding the right balance between maintaining a connection with your audience and avoiding oversaturation, now that's the key to successful email marketing. And that's up to you to find which works best for your business. So thanks for watching. I hope you found this useful, and we've got lots of other videos in the series discussing this subject and other similar email marketing subjects. So be sure to like and subscribe and check out some of our other videos.